What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify square root of 121 p to the power of 5 divided by 81 p to the power of 2. The answer will be 120y is 11 squared, 81 is 9 squared, and we have p to the power of 5, p to the power of 2. So that will be 11 squared divided by 9 squared. It's going to be square root of p to the power of 5 minus 2. Then square root of 11 squared divided by 9 squared is going to be 11 divided by 9. Square root of p to the power of 3, or we can say 11 over 9 p root p. Next example. It's going to be square root of 25 r to the power of 8 divided by 64 times r. The answer is 25 is 5 squared, r to the power of 8 divided by 64 is 8 squared, r. So it will be 5 squared divided by 8 squared times r to the power of 8 divided by r. So that will be 5 over 8 square root of r to the power of 8 divided by r is going to be r to the power of 7. That will make it r to the power of 7 is r to the power of 6 times r. So it will be 5 over 8 r to the power of 3 root r. Next example. Square root of 32 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 3 divided by 18 x to the power of 3 y. Answer is gonna be 32 is 16 times 2. Let me show it like that. 16 times 2 times x to the power of 5 y to the power of 3 divided by 18 is 9 times 2 times x to the power of 3 y. 2 and 2 cancel out. It will be 16 is 4 squared, 9 is 3 squared. X to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3 is going to be x to the power of 5 minus 3, which is 2. Y cubed divided by y is going to be y to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then change it to 4 over 3 x times y. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.